The 2025 Pontiac GTO marks a bold return for one of the most iconic American muscle cars. Reimagined for the modern era while retaining the raw spirit of its legendary predecessors, the new GTO blends retro styling cues with cutting-edge technology and aggressive performance. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a roaring reminder that the muscle car era isn't dead, just reborn. Under the hood, the 2025 GTO delivers serious muscle. Powered by a 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, it produces a staggering 750 horsepower and 680 lb-ft of torque. With launch control and an advanced all-wheel drive system available as an option, the car rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just under 3.2 seconds. Even with all this power, Pontiac has tuned the GTO for balance and drivability, allowing for both track-ready aggression and smooth daily driving. The design of the GTO is where nostalgia meets innovation. It pays homage to the original with its bold front grille, dual hood scoops, and wide athletic stance. The iconic split grille makes a comeback, flanked by aggressive LED headlights and a low-slung bumper that emphasizes its road-hugging posture. From the rear, the GTO features quad exhaust tips, a sculpted diffuser, and slim, horizontal taillights that echo the look of classic models while embracing modern lighting technology. Step inside, and the 2025 GTO offers a premium, driver-focused interior. High-quality leather seats with red stitching provide both comfort and grip during high-speed maneuvers. A flat-bottom steering wheel and aluminum paddle shifters give it a true performance feel. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, offering everything from navigation to performance stats like G-forces, lap times, and boost levels. A massive 14-inch infotainment touchscreen dominates the center console, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Pontiac also introduces new AI-assisted driving modes in the GTO, allowing drivers to choose between comfort, sport, track, and custom settings. The adaptive suspension, variable exhaust, and transmission settings all adjust to deliver the right experience at the right time. In track mode, the suspension stiffens, throttle response sharpens, and the exhaust barks to life with a deep, thunderous roar. In comfort mode, the GTO becomes a tame beast, still powerful but more civilized for everyday driving. The 2025 Pontiac GTO doesn't forget about safety or tech. It includes all the modern essentials: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, and a 360-degree camera system. A heads-up display helps keep eyes on the road, and a state-of-the-art performance telemetry system lets enthusiasts log and analyze their driving data in real time. This modern muscle machine is also available in a wide range of finishes, from classic glossy black to a newly introduced Inferno Red metallic, exclusive to the GTO. Optional carbon fiber packages add weight-saving enhancements, including a carbon roof, mirrors, and interior trim accents. Ultimately, the 2025 GTO is a bold fusion of American muscle tradition and futuristic innovation. It appeals not just to longtime fans of the brand, but also to a new generation of performance enthusiasts who demand speed, style, and sophistication in one thrilling package. Pontiac is back, and the GTO leads the charge.